Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next topic is the Excel in MS Office. Okay, so basically, the Excel is a software program which is created by the Microsoft and that uses a spreadsheet to organize the numbers and the data with the different formula and the functions. Means we can easily operate the information numerics in the particular Excel. So basically, the Excel analysis is the useful in the education purpose business applications for formulating the n number of contents. So how the MS Excel is different from the MS Word? So basically the MS Excel is the spreadsheet program that is used to save the data. Then we can make a tables, charts, and we can operate the complex calculation or makes a complex calculation with the help of Excel. Then Microsoft Word is a word processing document, which that is used for letter writing. Then we can create the documents and report in the MS Word. But in MX Excel, we can operate on the given data. Means we can perform the calculation on the contents. So different features provided by the MX Excel. There is a home window. This is the appearance of your MS Excel. This is home window. So here we can use the home window having different basic parameter which is already discussed in the MS Word. For example, cut, copy, paste, format, painter. Then we can apply the text font size of the text. We can easily increase the font size, then decrease the font size. Then we can apply the color of text here. We can easily fill the color background which is selected on the given cell. Then we can apply the table here. Means whenever we click on the border, we can assign the border to that particular specified selected area on the Excel. Here bold, italic and underline operator parameter is available. After that, this is alignment parameter. We can easily align that particular content with the help of top alignment, middle alignment, and bottom alignments. Here we can justify the text alignment is the left side, middle, and right side here. This is your indent. We can increase the indent and decrease the indent with the help of this. Then we can wrap the text. म्हणजे आता एका सेलमध्ये जर मॅक्झिमम साईज कंटेंट्स असतील पण ती साईज कंटेंट आपल्याला काय करावी लागते, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स मध्ये डिस्प्ले नाही होत तर ती विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रॅपटेक्सने आपण करू शकतो. देन मर्ज सेल आपण हॉरिझॉन्टली व्हर्टिकली म्हणजे कॉलम्स अँड रोज वी कॅन मर्ज. After that the formatting cell etc. So this is the basic feature which is provided by the MS Excel. Again we can having the insert tab here. So in insert there is a different parameter. We can easily insert pictures, shapes, clip arts. Then we can insert the chart here. So in this case different charts is available. For example, columns, line, pie chart, bar chart, area. All these we can use to represent the numerical information in terms of graphical format. So it is easy to understand whenever we can see the particular image. So next one is the page layout. So this is also new feature which is provided by the MS Excel. So here we can give the layout to that given contents. We can assign the background. Then we can uh, select the size of the page here, legal A5, B5, A4, B4, A3, etc. Depends on the requirement of the user. We can select that page. Then we can assign the margin, normal margin, If we want to give the customized margin to the given document, so we can easily select the custom margin here. So with the help of this we can assign the margin, top, left, bottom, right, footer information having also specific margin, then header information also having specific margin. We can set with the help of this parameter. After that formula, when we enter the contents numericals in the particular Excel sheet, then if you want to upload the particular numericals, then we can apply the n number of formulas on the given sheet. Here, if we want to select the logical operator, what is the meaning of if, what is the meaning of and, false, not, or true, we can use here with the help of Excel. Next one is the data. So here we can use the data related parameters. For example, if you want to insert the contents, if you want to remove the duplications which is already available in the document, then for validation we can assign all the n number of parameter we discuss in the next lecture in detail. After that, review, we can use the spell check, then translator we can use here. So we can show the comments which is already given in the given documents. Then view, so there is a number of view: full screen, custom view, then page break view, page layout, normal view. We can easily check the layout of the given particular sheet. And this is your bottom side parameter. Here the different sheets is available. For example, this is sheet number 1, 2, 3. If you want to insert the new sheet, we can click on that particular icon. This is insert worksheet, or we can use the shift F11 key of keyboard, so we can easily insert the new sheet. If you want to rename that, then we can select that particular sheet, right click on that, and we can give the rename. For example, we can assign the PP here. So this is your name of that single sheet worksheet here. So this is the basic layout of the MS Excel. Next one is the detail study of every menu which is already available in the given. So this is your single cell. This is your function library. This is your definition name, formula, auditing, and the calculation. So this is your function library. Basically, this is a very useful group that contains all the formula that one uses in the Excel. This group is subdivided into the important functions like a financial function, logical function, date timing, lookup, references, maths, trigonometry, and other functions. So one can also make use of the insert function capability to insert the function in the given cell here. So next one is the define name. So this is the defined name. This is the feature can be used to name that cell, and this name cell can be a call from any part of the worksheet without working about its exact location. We can call the cell name in the given worksheet here. So next one is the formula auditing. So this is used for auditing the formula flow of the formula and their linkage. For example, it can trace the particular, or we can trace the precedent, means original of the data set, that show which data set depends on this. So we can easily use that predefined data sets. So show formula can also use to debug the error in the formula. Next one is the watch window. So this is the feature in the Excel is also useful for the keeping the tab on their values as you update other formula and the data set in the given Excel sheet. Next one is the calculation. So this is the option selected for the calculation is automatic. However, one can also change this option to the manual one. So this is the case we can define. So we can select this is the name of your cell. If you want to select this cell, then this is the name of cell is having with the help of column and rows. The column name is E and row name is 5. So E5 it is the location of your current cell. So if you want to use the data which is available in the given cell, we can easily use the data with the help of that address or the name of that cell. For example, E5. So data menu having the get external data, connection, sort and filter, data tools and the outline. So first we discuss about the get external data. So this option is used to import the external data from the various sources like Access, web, text, SQL servers, etc. Next one is the Power Query. So this is the advantage feature which is used to combine the data from the multiple sources and the present in the desired format. Next one is the sort and filter. This is your sort and filter. So this feature can be used to sort the data A to Z or Z to A. And also you can filter the data using the down drop menu. Also one can choose the advanced feature of that if you want to sort the data along with the n number of cell. म्हणजे आता सपोज ही सेल आहे, ह्या कॉलम मधला डेटा मी सॉर्ट केला तर त्यालाच रिलेटेड जो ए बी बी सी डी ई किंवा याच्यामधला जो कंटेंट असेल तो पण सॉर्ट झाला पाहिजे. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ यू कन्सिडर द रेकॉर्ड ऑफ द स्टुडंट, जर आता मी इथे घेतला 1 10 5 9 48 7. ओके, आणि इथे नेम घेतलाय मी सपोज P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. And next is having the record of percentage. Okay. सपोज मी फर्स्ट कॉलम मी जर सॉर्ट करतीये, सपोज इथे सॉर्ट म्हटलं, पहिला कॉलमचा डेटा सॉर्ट झाला पण ह्या दोन कॉलमचा झाला का सॉर्ट नाही झाला. सो मला काय करावं लागणार आहे, त्याच्यासाठी पूर्ण वर्कशीट सिलेक्ट करावं लागेल with the help of this. Then we can apply the sort. Name, आता इथे रिप्रेझेंट झालं, रिफ्लेक्शन चेक केलं का 1 2 म्हणजे सॉर्टिंग झालं, ते त्या पर्टिक्युलर कॉलमचं पण सॉर्टिंग झालं. फक्त एकाच कॉलमचं झालं का नाही, त्याचा अप्रोप्रिएट डेटा असेल तो टोटली सॉर्ट झाला विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सॉर्ट. So next one is the, suppose मला कंडिशन द्यायची, if condition we can apply. So select that cell, select formula, then logical operation, then if. So we can give the automation testing parameter here. Function argument is logical test. Okay. Value is greater than 65, then ट्रू असेल तर काय करायचं आहे तुम्हाला, फर्स्ट क्लास इज सेकंड क्लास. ओके. जर हे ड्रॅग केलं तर ते सगळ्या क्लाससाठी, आता ज्याची व्हॅल्यू 65 पेक्षा अबव आहे तो काय झाला, फर्स्ट क्लास म्हणून मेन्शन झाला. आणि ज्याची व्हॅल्यू कमी आहे, आपण काय दिलं होतं 65, ओके, तो काय झाला फर्स्ट क्लास. आणि जो त्याची 65 पेक्षा कमी असेल thing. Next one is the same way we can apply the different functions. Next one is the review tab. So the review tab contains the tools which mainly for the spelling check, then sharing, protecting, and the tracking changes in the given Excel sheet. So basically, which having the n number of parameters, for example, proofing, comments, language, and changes. So proofing means with the help of this proofing, we can check the spelling which is given in the Excel sheet. So proofing allow you to run the spell check in the Excel. In addition to spell check, and one can also use the correcting the spelling if you find the right word. So there is the also research button that helps you to navigate the directories and to perform the task in better way. Next one is the language. So you can translate the Excel sheet from English to any other language by using this feature. Next one is the comment. So this feature is used to write an additional note for the important cell. It helps that user understand clearly the resource which behind your calculation. Next one is the changes. So if you want to keep the track of the given change made, or we can one can use to track the changes option. So it is used to you can protect that particular worksheet or the workbook using the password with the help of this option. So last tab is the view tab. So view tab contains mainly a comments to view the Excel sheets like a change view, freeze plan, then arrange multiple windows. So basically, the workbook views, you can choose the viewing portion, uh, viewing option of the Excel sheet from this group. So you can view the Excel sheet in the default normal view, or you can choose the page break view, or we can consider the page layout view, or any customized or custom view of the given parameter. Next one is the show. So basically, these features can also use to show the note, uh, show or not show the formula bar or the grid lines or the heading in the given Excel sheet. The next one is the zoom parameter. So we can use that zoom parameter. Sometimes the Excel sheet may contains a lot of data, and you may not, or you may want to be a change in the zoom or zoom out parameter. So we can desire the area of the Excel sheet. We can easily notice, or we can easily observe. Next one is the window. So basically, the new window is helpful features that allow the user to open this second window and they work on the both simultaneously. So the freeze, basically when we one scroll to the extreme position, so you can also split the worksheet into the two parts, separate for the separate navigation. Next one is the macros. So this is the again a fairly advanced feature of the Excel, and you can use this feature to automatic certain tasks in the Excel sheets. So macros are nothing but the recorder of the actions that taken in the Excel. So they can execute the same action again if you require, or if you want to repeat the same action, we can use that macro because it is used to uh, define the particular action, and recorded action is executed if we user want to execute that particular thing. So this is the basic layout or basic parameter or the menus in the given Excel.